ChatGPT can write essays, answer questions, and even code. But how does it actually understand language? The answer is simpler than you think, and it all comes down to predicting the next word. An LLM or large language model isn't all trained on billions of words from books, websites, and articles. Think of it like a student who's read everything on the internet. It learns patterns in language, not meanings. ChatGPT doesn't truly understand. It predicts what word should come next based on probability. Imagine showing the A millions of sentence pairs, covering up the last word and asking, what comes next? Over time, it gets really good at guessing. This is called transformer architecture. Writing it, the AI breaks language into tiny pieces called tokens, usually 4 characters each, then learns relationships between them through something called attention mechanisms. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it generates responses 1 token at a time, picking the most likely next word each time. It's not thinking or reasoning, it's statistical pattern matching at scale. But because it's trained on so much human knowledge, its predictions sound remarkably intelligent, learn new information, or truly understand context like humans. Subscribe for more AI concepts broken down simply, and drop a comment. What question would you ask ChatGPT first?